Sophia Mathur is a young climate activist from Sudbury, Ontario. From a very young age, Sophia has been active on climate change issues. By the age of 7, she was a political activist, talking to Canadian politicians, and lobbying the US Congress by age 9. Thanks to her efforts, the Citizens Climate Lobby in the American Congress now allows children under the age of 16 to participate in its conferences and lobbying days. She has shown adults how powerful a child's voice can be when talking to politicians. Sophia's leadership in climate activism has not gone unnoticed. She was the first youth in the Americas to do Fridays for Future climate strikes initiated in Sweden by Greta Thunberg. Since then, the movement has certainly caught on. She is part of a multi-age steering committee that guides Friday for Future activities in Sudbury. In 2017, she launched the Last Straw movement in Sudbury. Thanks to her efforts, restaurants in her city are now keenly aware of the problem and the need for a responsible alternative to plastic straws. Her influence is undeniable. Sophia Mathur is a true leader, someone who is not afraid to stand up for her beliefs. Her enthusiasm is contagious. We are honored to pronounce her the winner of the Nature Inspiration Award for Youth